Stop wasting money on car gadgets that look amazing but end up sitting useless in your glove box. We've all bought something that promised to make driving easier, only to regret it later. Today, we're testing why these 12 insane car gadgets are selling out on Amazon fast to see which ones actually deliver. We put each product through real-world tests to find the winners, the surprises, the disappointments, and the complete wastes of money. Stay with us because the results might change what you buy next on your next drive.
SwiftSnap Magnetic Mount Pack. Finding a phone mount that stays secure without blocking your view can be frustrating. That's where the SwiftSnap Magnetic Mount Pack caught my attention. Installation took only a few minutes, and the strong magnetic connection held my phone securely during city driving, highway speeds, and even rough roads. The compact design blends nicely with the dashboard without looking bulky. I also like that it allowed quick one-handed attachment and removal, making navigation much easier while keeping my attention on the road. The adjustable viewing angle helped reduce glare during daytime driving. Overall, it performed exactly as expected, offering convenience without unnecessary complexity. If you frequently rely on GPS while driving, this simple accessory is definitely worth considering for everyday use. It impressed me throughout testing. Polarized Visor Sun Shield. Driving directly into bright sunlight can quickly become uncomfortable and even dangerous. The Polarized Visor Sun Shield is designed to reduce glare while maintaining clear visibility. After installing it, I immediately noticed less eye strain during morning and late afternoon drives. The polarized lens helps soften harsh sunlight without making the road appear too dark. It flipped up easily whenever I didn't need it and stayed firmly in place while driving. Build quality felt solid, and installation required no tools. While it won't replace quality sunglasses entirely, it definitely improved overall driving comfort. Anyone who regularly deals with strong sunlight may appreciate this affordable upgrade. It's simple, effective, and surprisingly useful for everyday commuting and longer road trips alike.
Hidden Tesla Console Organizer. Keeping small essentials organized inside a center console isn't always easy, especially when everything ends up piled together. The hidden Tesla console organizer creates separate compartments for everyday items, like keys, sunglasses, charging cables, and cards. Installation was effortless, since it simply slides into place without modifications. During testing, everything stayed organized, making it much faster to find frequently used items. The design matches the interior well, giving it an almost factory-installed appearance. Durable materials prevented rattling while driving, and the sliding access remains smooth throughout use. Although designed specifically for compatible Tesla models, it greatly improves storage efficiency without sacrificing available space. It's a practical upgrade that helps keep your vehicle neat every single day. Ceramic Interior Care Spray. Maintaining a clean vehicle interior usually takes more effort than most people expect. Ceramic Interior Care Spray promises to clean, protect, and restore multiple interior surfaces with minimal work. I applied it to plastic trim, vinyl panels, and the dashboard. It removed light dust and fingerprints easily while leaving behind a natural-looking finish instead of an overly shiny appearance. The protective coating also helped repel dust during several days of testing. I appreciated that it dried quickly without leaving sticky residue or strong odors inside the cabin. While heavily stained surfaces still required deeper cleaning, regular maintenance became much easier. For drivers wanting a simple way to keep their interior looking fresh, this spray delivers dependable everyday performance with very little effort.
Smart Lithium Battery Charger. A weak battery can leave you stranded at the worst possible moment, which is why I wanted to test the Smart Lithium Battery Charger. Right away, I noticed how simple the setup was, thanks to the clear display and easy-to-follow instructions. It automatically detected the battery condition and adjusted the charging process without requiring constant monitoring. During testing, it charged efficiently while providing built-in protection against overcharging, overheating, and reverse polarity. The compact size made it easy to store in the trunk without taking up much space. Whether your vehicle sits unused for days or you simply want extra peace of mind, this charger offers dependable performance. It's a practical tool that helps extend battery life while making routine maintenance much easier for everyday drivers. Overland Hardshell Roof Tent. Camping becomes much more enjoyable when setup takes only a few minutes, and the Overland Hardshell Roof Tent certainly impressed me. The durable hardshell construction felt sturdy and provided excellent protection while traveling. Opening and closing the tent was surprisingly quick compared to traditional softshell options, saving valuable time at the campsite. Inside, there was enough room to sleep comfortably, while the built-in mattress offered decent support throughout the night. Ventilation windows helped maintain airflow, reducing condensation during cooler weather. Although it requires a compatible roof rack and represents a larger investment, the convenience is hard to ignore. For outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy frequent road trips and weekend adventures, this roof tent delivers comfort, durability, and reliable performance wherever your travels lead. Portable car desk tray. Eating lunch, working on a laptop, or organizing paperwork inside a vehicle can be awkward without a stable surface. The portable car desk tray solves that problem with a simple yet practical design. It attached securely to the steering wheel when parked, creating a surprisingly sturdy workspace. I tested it with a laptop, notebook, snacks, and drinks, and it handled everything without wobbling. The lightweight construction makes it easy to store behind a seat when not in use. It's important to remember this tray should only be used while the vehicle is safely parked. For commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone spending long hours in a vehicle, it adds convenience without taking up valuable storage space. Overall, it's an inexpensive accessory that performs exactly as intended. Heavy-duty wheel lock. Protecting your vehicle from theft is always worth considering, and the heavy-duty wheel lock provides an extra layer of visible security. Built from solid steel, it felt durable and resistant to tampering during my inspection. Installing it was quick, and the adjustable design fit the wheel securely without difficulty. Its bright finish also acts as a strong visual deterrent, encouraging potential thieves to move on to an easier target. The locking mechanism operated smoothly and came with multiple keys for convenience. While no security device can guarantee complete protection, adding another obstacle can make a meaningful difference. If you regularly park outdoors or leave your vehicle unattended for extended periods, this wheel lock offers dependable peace of mind at a reasonable price.
3-in-1 seat gap organizer. Small items always seem to disappear between the seats, turning a quick search into an annoying distraction. The 3-in-1 seat gap organizer is designed to solve that everyday problem while adding extra storage. It fits neatly between the seat and center console, creating space for your phone, wallet, keys, sunglasses, and other essentials. During testing, everything stayed within easy reach and nothing slipped into the gap. I also liked the built-in cup holder and charging cable slot, which added even more convenience. The material felt durable, matched most vehicle interiors, and stayed securely in place during normal driving. It's an affordable upgrade that improves organization, reduces clutter, and makes every drive a little more comfortable and stress-free for busy drivers. Digital tire pressure gauge. Proper tire pressure affects safety, fuel efficiency, and tire life, making a reliable gauge an essential tool. The digital tire pressure gauge impressed me with its fast and accurate readings. The large backlit display was easy to read in both daylight and low-light conditions, while the ergonomic grip made it comfortable to use. I compared the readings with another trusted gauge and found the results consistently accurate. The automatic shutoff feature helps preserve battery life, and the compact design fits easily inside a glove compartment or toolkit. Regular pressure checks only take a few minutes, but they can prevent uneven tire wear and improve overall driving performance. This simple tool delivers dependable accuracy and is worth keeping in every vehicle for routine maintenance.
Smart tire pressure caps. Checking tire pressure usually requires stopping and using a separate gauge, but smart tire pressure caps offer a quicker visual solution. These caps change color to indicate whether your tire pressure is within the recommended range, making routine inspections much easier. Installation took only a few minutes by replacing the existing valve caps. During testing, the indicators remained clearly visible and responded correctly as tire pressure changed. While they don't replace a high-quality digital pressure gauge for precise measurements, they provide an excellent first warning before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Their weather-resistant construction also handled rain and dust without any noticeable problems. For drivers who appreciate quick maintenance checks, these smart caps add simple yet practical convenience every day. RAV4 Console Organizer Tray. The factory center console in many vehicles can become a cluttered storage bin, making small items difficult to find. The RAV4 Console Organizer Tray transforms that space into a much more organized compartment. Installation required no tools because it simply dropped into place with a precise fit. It created separate sections for coins, keys, charging cables, sunglasses, and other everyday essentials, while still allowing access to the deeper storage below. During testing, nothing rattled or shifted while driving, and the textured surface helped keep items secure. The sturdy construction felt durable enough for daily use and blended naturally with the vehicle's interior. If you own a compatible RAV4, this organizer is an inexpensive upgrade that noticeably improves everyday convenience. Those were my favorite Amazon car accessories from today's roundup, and I hope this review helped you discover products that genuinely fit your needs. Some impressed me more than expected, while others simply offered practical everyday value.
Before we wrap up, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.